What do you have a MCX for? What are you, poor?
SIG MCX. This is like the coolest.
You need to get a
To be running the older version of it.
Yeah, a Spear MCX.
A Spear? I can't afford that. I just spent $2,700 on
You
it.
should not even trade.
Yeah.
Because you're just too poor to be good.
Poor.
Get out of here.
Poor.
We're so much better than him.
So much better.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got the new cool guy gun on YouTube that not a lot of other people have had yet. And yes, both of these are in 5.56. They're not the 7.62 versions because we're not poors. But yeah, Spear LT from SIG, the brand new gun that may or may not be going to the military. We'll find out. This one has the Romeo 8T, which is like their EOTech alike optic. It's been really cool to shoot with that today. Thomas is a poor and he has normal iron sights on his. So,
yeah.
But he's dealing with it. He's learning.
He's got the limited edition gray one.
He does. Yeah, that's probably the only one on the planet that exists. Honestly, it's very likely that that's the case. He's got gray, so that's.
So it makes me a little less of a poor.
Yeah, we're cooler than you because of that. But anyway, we've got the rifle 16-inch version. This one obviously is a pistol. Thank you, ATF. Features on this guy, you do have full ambi controls that are upgraded over the Gen 2 of the MCX. You've got the same as the XM7 Spear, the push down and slash push up to release or lock your bolt open. Ambi magazine release, you've got your more traditional style paddle bolt release there. And other than that, they're very similar to the Gen 2 MCXs. The real main differences are slightly slimmer barrel profile on these guys, and then the more circular, better profile to the handguard.
And the rearward grip.
You do have that. The stock on these guys is definitely not a vertical grip because it's in the rear, so, or not a foregrip at least. So you've got that, or if you're lefty, it really makes it easy. You can get some nice stabilization going there. But yeah, so that's about it. Thomas does have the Radian charging handle on his that does not come on it. This one's got the standard SIG charging handle. That one I think is definitely an upgrade.
I kind of prefer it.
It's really nice. But yeah, now let's get into some shooting.
All right, guys, we're gonna run some drills with the Spear LT. This is the full length one because the other one is gray, and we figured that you guys would call us posers because we have a gray one, and you're like, they only come in FDE, you can't have a gray one. But we do, because we're cooler than you. Anyway, we're gonna do just a simple 3R3 drill. So 3 shots, hopefully in the A zone, reload, and hopefully hit the A zone. I have my magazine here because I'm keeping my really powerful sidearm right here. So yeah.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
That shoots incredibly flat.
And total time was 5.3.
That was not a fast time, by the way. I definitely forgot that there's a release up here because I haven't shot this thing a whole bunch.
But
and oof. Oh yeah, so all A zone. I got 1, 2, 3 here, 4 here, and then this is my flyer. This is a very good shooting gun. Really, the soft recoil impulse. You can see, you guys know how I usually shoot. That's great. I'm okay with that. Like, honestly. Whew. Shoo.
All right, so we're redoing that because Joe messed up the shot timer.
Hey, you
somehow.
shot well, though.
Yeah, I did shoot well. Sure did.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by. Okay. First shot in a 1.37. Total time 6.73.
All right. Alpha, alpha, alpha. I don't know where the other ones went.
Charlie.
I got a Charlie.
And then alpha. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, cool. There we go.
All alphas, 1 Charlie.
Yeah, I would have gotten all 6.
Not bad. Your first run was all 6 in, so we'll say it's all 6 in, but yeah, not bad. It shoots soft, dude.
It's really nice.
All right. Carrying on.
Oh, yeah. Shooter ready.
Sure. All right.
7:03 total time. First shot in the 116. And we are looking at 3 alphas, and those are 3 Charlies, sir.
Yeah.
But they would all be, that would all be headshots.
But, you know, it depends on where you count the head. For most people, their head is at least that big.
Yeah, we could call that a kill.
I think I got him.
Yeah, we'll take it.
All right, Red Bull pen test, because if you thought 77 grain OTM ammo was an airsoft grade round, it's definitely probably not. That worked, as per usual.
It's penned.
It's penned. Closing thoughts.
Closing thoughts. Thoughts that close. We got 2 SIG MCXs. Thomas, do you have thoughts on these Spear LTs?
I like them, and yet again, I don't really have anything bad to say about them. I'd say it's a perfect example of taking one good thing and making it better.
Yeah.
Obviously, the full ambidextrous controls makes it a lot easier to use. That specific bolt release I really enjoy. It's almost like a bad lever.
Really like this bolt release. It's very bad lever-esque, and I'm a bad lever master race guy. This just kind of shows that you can improve upon perfection. Not like a company that we know of that says, you know, something perfection.
Yeah.
You can improve. It rhymes with Spock, perfection, and you can always improve. So they took a very, very good design, and I would say they made it better.
Yeah.
The handguard's a little bit thinner.
So much better,
It's
though.
soft shooting. I know what you guys are thinking. How did you guys get a gray model? It's definitely a factory color. They come like this from SIG. If you can't get this one, you just haven't spent enough money with SIG. I mean, that's the hard truth.
Yeah,
right?
the actual way to get that is if you spend your entire life savings and then plead to them
And then you
with every
plead.
ounce of your life.
You pray a little bit.
Yeah.
It's yours, just like that. Yeah, I mean, I have nothing bad to say about this. This is a great rifle. I can't throw it because it's not ours. And usually
SIG pay us to say any of these things?
Oh yeah, SIG did not pay us. We still, don't worry, we're just as broke. We are so miserably poor. You could buy merch though and fix that.
Thank you to the mystery ammo sponsor.
Mystery ammo sponsor. Shout out to the mystery ammo sponsor that shall not be named.
Mega base.
Definitely not SIG, that's for sure, because they wouldn't pay us to do this. That's
No.
for sure. That'd be crazy.
No.
Anyway, guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. So thanks so much for watching.
Like,
I'm
subscribe,
Thomas.
merch.
Like, subscribe. This is Thomas. I'm not Thomas. I'm Joe, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Da, ba, da, da.
Move my body back and forth.